Hey there! The film you just watched wasn't shot in a studio, and there wasn't a camera crew behind it. In fact, it was created right from the comfort of my room using nothing but my laptop and a simple prompt. Normally, creating something this cinematic would require multiple tools, expensive software, countless hours of editing, and a full production workflow. But what if I told you all of that can now be done from a single platform? That's exactly what I discovered with Flova AI. Flova AI gives you access to some of the most powerful AI models available today. For video creation, you get tools like Seedance 2 and Happy Horse, capable of generating stunning cinematic scenes from simple text prompts. And when it comes to image generation, you have access to powerful models like GPT Image and Nano Banana, allowing you to create incredibly realistic and detailed visuals in seconds. Instead of juggling multiple subscriptions and platforms, everything is available in one place, making it easier than ever to bring your ideas to life. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I created this entire film using Flova AI and how you can start creating content like this yourself. Before we jump into creating, I want to show you something that really sets Flova apart. It's called Skills. As you can see, there are skills designed for different kinds of creative projects, whether you're making cinematic films, action stories, anime, or sci-fi. But skills are much more than templates or creative pathways. A Flova skill is a reusable workflow that can save your visual style, storyboard structure, model choices, prompt structure, shot logic, and overall production process. This means you can reuse the same workflow for future films, sequels, or ongoing content without starting from scratch. There's also a library of workflows created by experienced creators. Instead of building everything yourself, you can learn from proven workflows, customize them to fit your own ideas, and speed up your entire creative process. For this video, we'll be using the narrative short film voice reference skill. For this video, we'll be creating a treasure hunter must outrun rival mercenaries and deadly traps to find a legendary artifact before it falls into the wrong hands. Instead of spending time figuring out how to perfectly explain my prompts, I simply click Generate, and the Flova AI agent expands my idea into a complete prompt with multiple scenes. I can also ask it to suggest better camera angles, strengthen the story, and improve the narrative before generation. And if the pacing or story of a scene doesn't feel right, I can simply edit the storyboard and generate that scene again, without rebuilding the entire project. If I don't want to control every step myself, I can simply tell Flova what I want, and it can help set up the story, shots, and production workflow automatically. Another feature I use throughout the project is Elements. Elements lets me save reusable assets like characters, props, locations, and even brand assets. Once they're added, I can reuse them across different shots and future projects without uploading them again. This helps keep their appearance and visual style consistent throughout the film, while making it much easier to build future projects using the same creative assets. This is especially useful for maintaining character consistency across multiple scenes while keeping everything organized in one place. This is why Flova feels different from traditional AI generators. It doesn't just generate content, it helps develop the entire project. It can structure the story, build the storyboard, organize reusable assets, and create everything needed to bring your idea to life. One thing I really like is how easy it is to make changes. If I want to adjust something, I simply tell the AI agent through chat. Whether it's changing a scene, improving the atmosphere, refining an action sequence, or generating new ideas, I can do it all without having to start over. Once the project is complete, there's one more feature I want to show you. I can save this entire workflow as my own skill. That means I'm saving the visual style, storyboard structure, model choices, prompt structure, shot logic, and production process so I can reuse them later. So when I decide to create another cinematic adventure, a sequel, or even an ongoing content series, I don't have to rebuild everything from the beginning. I can simply reuse the skill and continue creating with the same proven workflow. Over time, you can build your own library of skills, making it much faster and easier to create consistent, high-quality projects. Once all of my scenes are generated, they automatically appear in Flova's timeline. From here, I can rearrange scenes, adjust the pacing, trim clips, add or replace music and sound effects, and fine-tune the overall flow of the film before exporting. When everything looks exactly the way I want, I simply export the finished video, and it's ready to share. Flova brings together elite AI models, a creative team, and an editing suite into one seamless workflow. Instead of paying over $120 per month for multiple AI tools, you can keep your entire production process in one place for just $19 per month. You'll find my special link in the description below. When you sign up, you'll receive 100 credits instantly. And by exploring Flova, you'll unlock an additional 200 credit exploration bonus, giving you even more to start creating right away. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what type of AI animation you'd like to see me create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
The temple's activating. Of course it is. Okay. What do? I love old temples.